Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss two basic property of triangle. First, angle sum property. And second, exterior angle property. Now, angle sum property states that sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. For example, in this triangle, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, while exterior angle property states that sum of two opposite interior angle is equal to its exterior angle. For example, in this triangle, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now let's prove both the property. Angle sum property. As we have discussed that as per the angle sum property, sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, no matter whether it is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle or right angle triangle. Now let's prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. To prove, we have to do construction. First, construct line DE parallel to BC, and now by considering DE parallel to BC and AB as a transversal, we can conclude that angle 1 is equal to angle 4 by alternate interior angle, and this is our first equation. Now again, by considering DE parallel to BC and AC as a transversal, we can conclude angle 2 is equal to angle 5 by alternate interior angle, and this is our equation 2. Now by adding both the equation, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Now by adding angle 3 on both sides, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 3. Now as we can see that angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 makes angle DAE, which makes a straight line which is always equal to 180 degree So we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now proved. Second, exterior angle property or theorem. As we have discussed, as per exterior angle property, sum of two opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle, and to prove angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4, we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property, and also we can see that angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree as per linear pair. Therefore, we can say that angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Now we can see that angle 2 is common on both the sides. So by cutting angle 2, we get angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Hence proved.